Assalamualaikum students. Now today our topic is related to thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium can be of a system or thermal equilibrium can be of two systems. As I have pasted a definition here, a thermodynamical system is said to be in state of thermal equilibrium if macroscopic variables characterizing the system don't change in time. They don't change with time. Now there is the term macroscopic variables. Those microscopic variables include the pressure, the volume, temperature. I will make you understand actually what it is. Let us we are having this as a container, and this container are having now adiabatic walls. Now you people are aware of the adiabatic walls. Adiabatic walls are those very walls which are not going to exchange adiabatic adiabatic walls which are not going to exchange anything with the surroundings. They are not going to exchange whatever is. If we are having some amount of gas within this, it is at some pressure P, temperature T, and it is having a volume V within this very container. And after some time we will say this very system is in thermal equilibrium only if we are going to see after some time 10, 20 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour. It is say a state is going to maintain. It will be having the same amount of temperature, it will be having the same amount of pressure and volume which was it already having initially. Whatever was it's having the pressure, the mass, the temperature, the volume, and that will be after some 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, whatever may be the duration. So this very system, if if for 1 hour there is no change in its pressure, temperature, volume, mass, or any another thermodynamical variable, so we will say it is in thermal equilibrium with itself, because there is nothing is changing for 1 hour. But after 1 hour if there is changing, then we will say it is not in thermal equilibrium. So simply that this is now called as the thermal equilibrium of a system. So thermal equilibrium of a system is said to take place if the microscopic variables characterizing the system don't change in time. That is the pressure, the volume, the temperature, they don't change in time. Now there is another this. Now this is the thermal equilibrium of single system. Now there can be the thermal equilibrium of two systems. Two thermal dynamical systems are said to be in thermal equilibrium. Now if we are having two systems, now two systems are are said to be in thermal equilibrium if on bringing them in contact. Once they are brought in contact, so if we are having this as a one system and this is the wall separating the another system, this is system A, this is system B. Now we will say A and B will be only and only in thermal equilibrium if both are having the same temperature. If they are having what? Equal temperature. Whatever is the temperature here, same temperature is the important, same temperature. So if for example it is at 10 degrees Celsius, it was at 20 degrees Celsius, once they are in now in contact, so this wall should be what? Dithermic wall here, because once we are having a dithermic wall, then they can interchange, then they can exchange the temperature, then they can exchange the heat. So after some time, if both attain a temperature of 15 degree, this is having 15, this is now at that very time, we will say what? We will say the two systems are in thermal equilibrium. Once again you have to understand, when two systems having two different temperatures are placed in contact with each other. I was having system A and system B having two different temperatures. Now they are brought very much close to each other, having a physical contact, and it is obvious the heat is going to flow from a body which is at higher temperature to a body at which is at lower temperature. Once you make a handshake with a person in winters, if you are having your hands within the jacket, you are having, there is a lot of warmth within your hands. But if you are going to handshake with a person who is having what? Hands uh, not within the jacket, so it will be, those hands will be cold. Once you are going to touch him, You will feel him very cold and he is going to feel very hot. So after some time, a stage is going to reach when the both are having same temperature. So that very thing, when the both bodies in contact have the same temperature, then there will be no exchange of energy between them. At say after same temperature, then there will be no exchange of energy between the two systems. Then you will say the two systems are in thermal equilibrium. So at thermal equilibrium, at thermal equilibrium, there is not any exchange of energy with the within the two systems. So you have to remember, once the two systems are in thermal equilibrium, then there will not be exchange of energy within the two. As a result of that, there will be a fixed temperature. This is all for today. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.